My name is Jacob. I'm a field technician for AT&T. One day I'm on a service call for a no-dial tone. The resident was an elderly man. When I arrived at his home, he seemed worried and anxious, so I quickly got to work restoring his service. As soon as I got his line up and running, phone calls came in one by one, non-stop, for a good 30 minutes. I was ready to leave when the calls subsided briefly. The elderly man escorted me out with tears in his eyes. He looked at me gratefully and said, "Today is my 95th birthday, and I've been waiting to hear from my family all day. Because of you, I finally could. Thank you." I'll never forget that moment. In its simplest form, yes, I fix broken things. But that day, I realized that every day I help people stay connected to what and who they love. Connections matter.